Hello everyone, I am Trupti Rajmanya, Assistant Professor, Dayanand Institute of Pharmacy, Latur. I would like to welcome all of you to this presentation. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you will be able to define and draw structure of thiazole with its proper numbering. Explain general information of thiazole. Give the different methods of synthesis of thiazole and explain the medicinal uses of thiazoles. Thiazole, look at the structure. It is a 5-membered aromatic heterocyclic compound having sulfur and nitrogen at position 1 and 3. Numbering must be started from sulfur as it is a saturated heteroatom, and the numbering is continued in a manner so as to give least possible number to the second heteroatom, that is nitrogen. Thiazole is colorless liquid having boiling point 117 degrees Celsius. It has pyridine like odor. Partially reduced thiazoles are called thiazolines. 3 different types are possible depending on position of double bond. These are 2-thiazoline, 3-thiazoline and 4-thiazoline. In case of 2-thiazoline, the number 2 indicates position of a single double bond in a ring. All remaining atoms of the ring are totally saturated. In case of 3-thiazoline, the double bond is present between third and fourth atom of the ring. All other atoms of the ring are saturated. Same is the case with 4-thiazoline. The single double bond is present between fourth and fifth atom of the ring. All other atoms are completely saturated. Now let's see different methods of synthesis of thiazoles. First method of synthesis is Hunch synthesis. It is the most common and oldest method of preparation of thiazoles. An alpha haloketone is reacted with thiamide or thiourea. Let's take an example. Chloroacetaldehyde on condensation with thioformamide gives thiazole. Look at the reaction. Thioformamide is heated with chloroacetaldehyde. Thiazole will be obtained with the loss of one water molecule and one HCl molecule. The yield of thiazole is 21%. Reflection spot. Which other heterocyclic compounds do you know other than thiazole having 5-membered heterocyclic compound with 2 heteroatoms? Here I would like to request all of you to pause the video and write down your answer in the notebook, then resume the video. Second important method of synthesis of thiazoles is from alpha thiocyanoketones. Alpha halocarbonyl compound and metal thiocyanate reacts to give alpha thiocyanoketone, which further cyclizes on treatment with acids. Let's take an example. Alpha chloroacetone and sodium thiocyanate reacts to give 2-hydroxy-4-methyl thiazole. The reaction is depicted below. 1 NaCl and 1 water molecule is lost in this reaction. One can synthesize thiazole from thioamides too. Thiazole derivatives can be obtained by reacting thiamide with substituted 2-chloroxyranes. Look at the reaction. Thiamide reacts with substituted 2-chloroxyranes to yield substituted thiazole, that is 4-chloromethyl 2-methyl thiazole. Another method for synthesis of thiazole is Cook-Heilbronn synthesis. Here carbon disulfide reacts with alpha amino nitriles to yield substituted thiazole. Look at the reaction. Alpha amino nitrile is going to react with carbon disulfide to give substituted thiazole. These were the different methods of synthesis of thiazoles. Now we can go through this table just to know about various medicinal uses of thiazoles. Thiamine, that is vitamin B1, is a vitamin supplement which shows thiazole ring in their structure. Sulfathiazole is an antibiotic which also shows presence of thiazole in their structure. Phenetizole is an anti-inflammatory agent. Another example is of antifungal agent, that is combendazole. Brecanavir is an anti-HIV agent, while aminothiazole is an anti-thyroid drug. All these drug molecules carry thiazole ring in their basic structure. This was about thiazole. Thank you.